What's up guys, welcome to my channel. This is Massey, and in this video I want to show you how to write the molecular formula or chemical formula of magnesium sulfate, and after that I want to show you how to calculate the molar mass or molecular weight of magnesium sulfate. So first of all, magnesium is Mg and sulfate is polyatomic ion, which is SO4. The charge for magnesium is 2+ and the charge for sulfate is 2-. So when we combine them, we have MgSO4, 2 and 2, they cancel out, it's going to be 1 and 1. So that's just MgSO4. That's the molecular formula for magnesium sulfate. Now I want to find out the molar mass or molecular weight of magnesium sulfate. So I need to list all the elements: Mg, sulfur S, oxygen O, and then I need to find out the atomic mass of each of these elements from the periodic table. Mg is 24.305, sulfur is 32.06, and oxygen is 15.999. Mg, we have only one of them, sulfur we have one, and oxygen we have 4 of them. So that's going to be 24.305, 1 times that one is going to be the same thing. 4 times 15.999 is 63.996. And then I need to add them all. It's going to be 24.305 plus 32.06 plus 63.996. That makes it 120.361 grams per mole. So that's the molar mass or molecular weight of magnesium sulfate. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe to the channel.